I bet your friend doesn't know good drinks either.
Of course he doesn't. He's a heathen.
Oh, now I am. But you couldn't say that when the captain asked for a character reference? Besides, you're drinking a Skull Island iced tea. You know it doesn't make you dangerous just because it's in a souvenir bone mug.
Well, who in their right mind would pair a Brigand's Bloody Mary with salt pork sliders?
Oh, inspired by Bloody Mary O'Connor herself, don't you know? Made fresh daily with real pirate blood.
Stop. Ugh, those sliders are gonna reverse.
Please, Ben, we're trying to have a private conversation very loudly in public, do you mind? But it's not like you could ever handle the sight of blood when we were at sea.
Your pal's not much of a pirate, you say?
He's passable at rhythmic pirate spoken verse boasting of golden wenches, but has no business in the ship's rigging.
I needed to hang the stage lights somewhere. If I hadn't properly lit your sea shanty, they might have keel-hauled us after your fiasco on the forecastle.
Oh, fiasco on the forecastle. I'm stealing that name for me new cocktail special.
I don't want to hear about any more disgusting cocktails.
Cool it down, or I'm calling the sheriff.
Better than getting marooned for upsetting the captain's party.
It was your idiotic approach to the game that set him off.
You're both green. You must be really mad. Or seasick?
That's what really got us tossed from the ship, and it was all him.
Liar. You were the one who vomited on the captain and got us fired.
That was you. You can't hold your liquor.
No, you. You can't stomach the roll of the ship.
You get woozy at the sight of rotted meat.
Well, you gag around stinky fish.
Green, maggot-ridden beef.
Putrid cod entrails.
Okay, that's it. I'm getting the sheriff. Sheriff!
Uh-huh. So tell me again what happened between having lunch and losing your lunch.
Not again.
Okay, sweet tea. Got your stuff.
Rip open my coin purse. There's a letter sewn inside.
Yup.
Take it to the governor, get me a pardon.
Governor, pardon. Hey, Gov, trade this for a pardon.
I have no idea what this letter is, if it is one.
What does he want, honey?
Just, clerical work?
Pardon, sweet tea.
Yes. Well, the thing is...
Now!
Yes. Why don't you give the sheriff this? Now, run along, office clerk. All's well that ends well, yes?
Oh, a full pardon from the governor. Well, everything seems in order. Mr. Sweet Tea, you're free to go.
Grabowski, you hero. I'll see you at the end.
He looks even more relaxed now. Give me magic words.
Don't yell at my customers.
I know him, baby.
Help me talk to ladies, please.
All right. Reveal these to no one but your intended. They grow common with overuse. Approach confidently and say to them,
That work?
then follow softly with,
Sweet one, you may sufficiently amazed. Cupid and jealousy are.
Go forth, young swain. Speak these lines and gather bounteous affections.
Where'd you learn them lines?
I grew up in a tavern. You wouldn't believe the things I heard.
Any friendly ladies you can introduce me to?
Go use my lines on a literate lady. If they fail, come back here.
Best place to woo girls?
Someplace quiet where you can talk. Be bold, confident, and fun.
Easy for someone with your face. What be love?
Well, I saw you talk to Sheriff Steele. How does she make you feel?
Like someone poisoned me.
Ha ha! Priceless.
Do you like the sheriff?
All the ladies here are lovely, but I can't stay. You know how it is, you're a sailor. You're wedded to the sea.
We haven't announced anything yet. Thanks. Never mind. They said too much. It's wearing a tiny eye patch and an DinXy pirate hat. May you find peace and cheese, me hearty. Talk later. Lady, in you all perfections are found which can be fought for on earth.
Are you for real?
Wait, it not done.
Oh,
'Tis
sorry.
the perfection of your exquisite person that kindles my desire.
Sir, you do me too great an honor.
If you take me for frantic, blame love, for it continues without reason.
Oh, that is adorable! I have to meet the guy who taught you that.
Madam, you are the saint to whose shrine I daily offer up my scalding sighs.
Oh, yes?
Thy golden tresses and scarlet lips are love's altar upon which me sacrificed.
That is so wrong, but I love hearing it in your piratey voice. Enough sweet words. The ice be broken.
It worked?
I appreciate the effort. You can relax. Let's chat. I'm Mava. I'm a student, you're a pirate. What can we possibly talk about?
Now I has to be fascinating? You study sailing?
No, natural history.
What's that?
Plants and animals. I love 'em all.
Did you see the driftwood flowers by the inn?
No. Tell me.
They're growing from an old fishing boat washed up by the tide.
Nice. Wonder how far they journeyed together.
I found saltwater reeds at the bottom of the little dock.
Ugh, I hate those weeds.
Aye, me too.
In my village, those weeds are the bane of my life.
Go Duke!
There's remarkable fruit at Sal's stand. Flurmemaplurgs and combinations of fruits I've never known.
Everything grows differently here. It's my favorite island.
Blimey, where'd Duke learn them lines?
Walk with me and see the island. Pretty things abound.
I'd like to, but I gotta stay with my friends. They're my sailboat ride home. Plus, some of them are pretty drunk.
Be you from far away?
A fishing village about 1,000 leagues north.
So, lots of fish?
Yeah, giant herrings. Also bear dogs, longhawks. Life everywhere.
I saw pufferfish.
In this part of the Azurbian?
They're filled with air and used as decorations.
Fish are fascinating.
Beauty and the Beast.
Oh, they look cute together.
There be a jaguar in the bushes.
I know. He isn't interested in the roasts here. Guess he likes the hunt.
Mava, I has to woo 3 women to impress me crew.
Really? That's dumb.
Mayhaps, but they'll make me captain. May I say we romanced?
Sure. I mean, it's stupid, but whatever.
Are you disappointed in me?
No, I get it. You're a swashbuckler.
We'll talk later.
Sure.
Thanks for not running away.
Why would I do that?
I'm big and awkward. Girls be scared of me. That's what me crew says.
Ridiculous. That's your mate there? I'm gonna talk to him. Hey, pirate. Yeah, I'm talking to you.
Aye.
This gentleman hath secured my affections.
Hath he now?
We had a great conversation. He's a lot of fun. Quit undermining him. If you're his friend, be a friend.
Saucy.
Okay, Slewface. Tell our crew me noble quest be complete.
I'll warn 'em. Bring your other lady friends to the pier.
It's all right, boys. It's all right. Oh, good afternoon, milady. Oh, from the look of things, I take it Duke's charms were too much to resist.
Yes, Duke is a wonderful man and will make some lucky lady a great husband. He's got a good heart and he's a fierce protector. He is the perfect man.
Well, would you look at that? The big lug might just pull this off.
One problem is, I only see one lady. So, if me math don't fail me, mind you, I didn't get much learning as a lad, But that only makes 2 lasses wooed. Not quite up to our dearly departed captain's standards.
Tcha, what a hunk of junk you all have here. I'm surprised Captain Flint let you even join his fleet. I just love this man. He is so big and strong, so resourceful, so manly. What more could a spirited girl want? Excuse me, miss, but I believe I saw him first.
Slowface, what the hell is happening?
I'll tell you what is happening. You bilge rats have found your new captain. All hail Captain Duke Grabowski! All hail Captain Duke! All hail Captain Duke! All hail Captain Duke! 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 Hail Captain Duke!
Nice working with you. Thanks for all the help.
Sure, let's do it again sometime.
She seemed nice.
Is everything supposed to fade out?
Don't know. This be me first adventure.